Hello, Principles of Biomedical Science students. This video is to help you read the blood typing chart. I noticed when I looked at your assignment for 1.1.4, not everybody knew how to do that. So I'm going to scroll down to the part of the assignment right here, the blood type chart. And if we take a minute to look at this, you'll notice that if you are type A blood, you have receptors on the outside of every blood cell in your body that look kind of like this. Well, it's a cartoonization, so they don't actually look like that. And then if you're type B blood, the receptors on the outside look different. Okay? If you're AB, you have both. And if you're O, you have neither. So, antibodies in blood. If you are type A, your body will recognize type B blood as foreign and attack. So the antibodies in your bloodstream, if you have type A blood, are going to react to type B. They're anti-B. The same thing for type B blood. If you have type B blood in your body and you're given type A blood, your antibodies will react to the type A receptors and kill those cells, recognize them as foreign. So you have what's called anti-A antibodies. If you're type AB, as 4% of the population is, you don't have any antibodies. You can take any blood. None of it's recognized as foreign. If you have type O blood, then you have antibodies for both A and B because you have no receptors on the outside of your cells. So if you're given anything but type O blood, your body attacks it as foreign. So here's just the cartoon picturing of the antigens, the receptors on the outside of the cells. Now the agglutination test. You're given anti-A antibodies, which is a little bit tricky to picture in your mind. But what's going to happen if you're given anti-A antibodies and you're type A is your blood is going to clump up. And you can see that. It gets kind of cloudy. Nothing happens with anti-B because there's nothing for the anti-B to react with and make it clump. So if you're doing a blood test and your results look like this with anti-A and this with anti-B, like they got clumpy with the anti-A, that means you're type A. So if you look at the group B, if you're given anti-A antibodies, there's nothing for them to react with because you don't have those A receptors. So it stays blood, it stays liquid. But if you're type B and you're given anti-B, that means it reacts with the B and clumps up. And that's how you can tell if somebody is type B. If you look at the anti-A and it's completely normal looking and the anti-B looks clumpy or cloudy, that's type B. Same thing here with AB, it gets clumpy with both. And then with type O, it gets clumpy with neither. And that's called agglutination. When it gets clumpy, it agglutinates. Fun word. So you complete the blood typing and there's no agglutination. If you look, agglutination means clumpiness. So you look where there's no clumpiness, and that's type O. Okay, a lot of people got that wrong. If there's no clumping with either A or B, it's type O. Okay, people with type AB are the universal recipient because they have both A and B. So they don't react with anything. So if we look at the test results for our crime scene, you have your 4 blood typing just to make sure that the test is working correctly. Crime scene 1 got clumpy with the A and not with the B, which means type A. The second crime scene sample, so this is from the table, this is from the floor, got clumpy with A and not B, so that's type A. Anna Garcia, same results, she's type A. Eric Piedmont, also type A. Let's see, TD. Who's TD? Taylor Diaz. He is not type A. He is type B. Dominique Hall is type A. SG. Sam Green is AB. And Dr. Opal is type O. And how you knew this was comparing these results to this chart right here. Okay? So I hope that helps if you're having trouble with blood typing.